Hello everyone, this is Jing from Tonghui. Today I will share you some information about our Tonghui's TH2690. Let's learn it together. First, let's take a look at what it can test. We press Setting to find the instrument's function. We can click it to see. The instrument can be used as a high-resistance meter, a voltmeter, an ammeter, an electrical static meter, and a voltage source. First of all, let's select instrument function as voltmeter to try its measurement of voltage. Then it has a voltage range. You can click to see what it has. It has only two ranges. The maximum can be tested up to 20 volts. We set it to automatic range, and we set others as default. Test TH2690 with B2961A today. We can look at the interface of TH2690. The top two are voltage source ports. Voltage source positive and voltage source negative. The two ports in the middle are two triaxial cable ports. One is the current test ports, and the other is the voltage test ports. Then, if we measure the voltage, connect our test cable to the voltage test ports, and then connect the other end of the test cable to the B2961A test cable. We can output the voltage of 1 volt. Click to test in TH2690, then we select Run. We can see that B2961A is outputting voltage of 1 volt, and TH2690 is demonstrating 1.00014 volts, which is equivalent to 1 volt. Then we can set the voltage a bit louder and output a voltage of 10 volts. Our TH2690 tested a voltage of 9.99989 volts. Turn off the voltage. This is its voltage test. Then let's take a look at its current test. Press Setting and we choose the ammeter from the instrument function. Look at its range of TH2690, which can measure current from 20 picoamp to 20 milliamp. We will connect the triaxial text list to our current test ports. Please notice there is a tip to tell the maximum current is plus or minus 20 milliamp, so we must pay attention not to exceed its test range. If the current exceeds 20 milliamp, TH2690 might burn out. Select Auto Range, then click Test, outputs a current of 50 microamp. We turn on the output, then turn on the ammeter and click Run. We can see that B2961A outputs a current of 50 microamp. And then TH2690 also measures a current of 49.997 microamp. The test current is quite accurate. You can also adjust the current to a smaller value. TH2690 tests 1 microamp, showing test value of 0.9999 microamp, which is also quite accurate. Turn off the output, then let's take a look at its other functions. In addition to the ammeter and voltmeter, there are also other functions of high resistance meter, a voltage source, and an electrostatic meter. Let's look at the voltage source again. It has a source range which can output voltage of minus 20 volts to 20 volts, 0 to 1000 volts, and 0 to minus 1000 volts. We can choose our suitable range according to our own needs. Then click Test and connect to the test cables of the two rubber plugs to our multimeter and TH2690, black to negative and red to positive. The other side is the same. We can see that on the instrument, the maximum voltage is 1000 volts. Let's try the voltage source. Let's set 100 to try. Turn on the remote output. We can see that the voltage is 99.98 volts on the multimeter, which shows that the output of TH2690 is quite accurate. After the test is complete, we must close the output. There are also functions of high resistance meter and electrical static meter. The high resistance meter is used to test meter resistance from 1 milliohm to a maximum of 100 teraohm. There are also automatic ranges and manual ranges. You can click to test under the automatic range. Here's a 5 gigaohm resistor. TH2690 measures resistance by principle of voltage, source, and ammeter. So we should connect our test cable to our ammeter. Connect the positive terminal of the cable to the resistance. Connect the rubber cable to the positive terminal of the voltage source. Connect the positive terminal of the voltage source with the other side of the resistance and use the short circuit to connect our voltage source to the negative terminal of the emitter. We can connect it to here. Then we connect the active pole of the emitter, turn on the voltage source output, and turn on the emitter to measure. Click to run and we find that test result is around 4.99 gigaohm, which is almost the same as the actual value of 5 gigaohm. This is a resistance measurement method. Then let's take a look at it again. There is another function of electrical static meter. It measures the charge. Let's see that it has 6 ranges which could be confirmed according to our test. This is the usage of 5 functions of Tonghui TH2690. Well, today's sharing is here. If you're still interested in using other instruments, please let us know in the comment area. And we'll see you in the next videos.